You guys missed me?
Landing.
So before you guys watch the video, just a quick FYI. This lighting is probably terrible. I got one light there, and then a light facing me. So put some prettiness on my face, if that makes any sense. And I got my cactus right here. So I actually have 2 lights coming in at the end of this week. I need lights, and the lighting in here is terrible. Sorry about the quality of the video for my unboxing. My settings were terrible, and that's why the noise is in there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. On this trip right here, if you guys can see this, of what is actually a better quality of what comes with the bag here. So obviously we got the drone here. Flip this bad boy out of here. That's pretty amazing, this right here with the propellers and everything. We got the remote, and 2 extra batteries, so 3 batteries right here total. And then I'm not going to take it out, but if you see that, that's a bunch of propellers. And then in this pocket right here, you have the ND filters. I believe it's 16, 32, let's see, 16, 64, and 256 in there. And then I also have a bunch of these. This is my SD card reader, or micro SD card reader. And then these cards right here, I'm not going to show them, but they're going to be in a video after this. And then these right here, I'm not going to show that. Actually I can show them, but I'm going to blur them out. So this one right here is what you would actually need. Actually, both these cards are what you need to fly a drone. And then right here, you also need that. And that one is actually, sticker is actually on my drone as well. But that's going to be the following video. So I'm going to have every video is going to be on Wednesdays. So next Wednesday, you'll be seeing why I blur these out and what you have to do in order to register your drone, basically. So that's a small recap of what's about to happen, and I appreciate you guys, and see you guys later.